Ay, naglalaro sila.
Oh, walay. Kinikiss niya si Scarlett.
Naglalaro sila. Pag nakatayo lang daw, ganyan, tapos nag-ano sila, naglalaro lang. Tapos pag nakaano yung...
Huwag kang mag-ano kasi parang hindi siya... Ayan. Ano lang siya. Ano na ngayon, si Scarlett. Nagalit si Scarlett. Ayan. Galit pag ganyan. Nakaano yung katawan.
Pag naka-straight daw lang yung tenga, naglalaro sila.
You know what I think we need with these watermelon sandwiches?
Para silang
We're not just
nag-uusap.
making any ordinary watermelon fries. We're making equal cut fries. We'll slice open our watermelon, and then we need to make one large slice.
Sabi niya siguro wala tayong pagkain. Dog food lang tayo, sabi niya siguro.
Inaamoy ni Scarlett Cat niya.
Ay, kinain ni ano. Kinain ni Marcia yung kanin.
Ay, pwede yun. Ano, lagyan mo ng maraming kanin siya kasi pagkain. Si Scarlett nagtatago. Binabantayan yan si
Matakaw talaga yan si Marcia.
Pagkatapos nagtataiyan.
Matakaw talaga yung gusto niya talaga kanin.
Scarlett, nagkalaro na kayo.
The watermelon seems full of white teeth. We've got quite a few leftovers here, so we're going to turn these into our next piece.
Lalaro sila, ma.
Ay, sayang. Di ko na-open. Ano ba yan?
Cool naked watermelon.
Kala ko naka-open.
Exact same thing right now. Patrick is going to take both
Mag-stick lang yung
and follow them out. So we have
tenga ng pusa, ano.
And on this side,
Tapos nakikipag-ano sa mga aso. Ano, ibig sabihin, naglalaro yun. Tapos pag papunta sa likod, tenga niya, ano, nag-aawal sila. Kaya-kaya si Scarlett.
There it is. The naked watermelon. Aesthetically, it's perfect. You almost don't even want to cut into it. Using some of the watermelon rind scraps from the naked watermelon, I crafted a pair of watermelon shoes. We're going to see how many steps Patrick can take in these. What? And thanks to today's sponsor, Bombas, I also got you these socks so your feet look like watermelons when you put these on. I don't know how great those shoes will be, but those socks are going to be just fine. In fact, I'm also wearing them right now. Whether you're running, cooking, hiking, walking around in watermelon shoes, these socks are literally perfect for anything. And best of all, for every pair of socks you buy, Bombas will donate one pair to someone in need. Oh no, the saddle's broke! Don't worry, the socks are fine. If you want to dress like me and Patrick and have these same socks, you can get 20% off using my link. Go to bombas.com/Nikki. After all that fun in the sun, it's time for a feast. Our beautiful fruit salad is filled with water, but it also has blueberries, strawberries, and so much more.
Ay, Scarlett to? Matakaw si...
Ayan.
Ginagalaw pa. Si Scarlett to.
Let's turn this into a smoothie. Go ahead and dump this into the blender. Don't forget the gooseberries. Then, just a little bit of yogurt.
Kinain niya din yung kanin.
Ilang months years old na si ano? Ilang
Hindi ko nga alam. Hindi ko natanong kahapon.
May Kuya Komi. Hindi niya alam.
Hindi.
Totoong diamond. Kasi pag may repla, totoo eh. Daka.
Ano ka doon? Mag-toothbrush.
First, we're going to measure out a third cup of watermelon juice, toss that into a pan, and then we'll heat it up slowly. And once it's nice and warm, we're going to go with a quarter teaspoon of agar-agar powder. You've never heard of that? It's basically just a seaweed powder that chefs use once in a while. Once the agar-agar powder has dissolved, it's time. This is a glass of glue that's been in the freezer for about 1 hour. All we have to do is put a few